if you're considering the JBL PartyBox 310 for your next big bash. Hold up, because I'm about to share some surprising truths you won't hear in basic ads. This speaker promises 240 watts of JBL Pro sound, dazzling light shows, and an 18-hour battery life. But here's what shocked me. It's not all smooth sailing. You might think you're getting a party powerhouse, but the reality: there are some unexpected quirks and issues that might make you think twice before hitting that buy button. Stay tuned, because I'm diving deep to reveal if the PartyBox 310 lives up to the hype, or if you should seriously reconsider. By the end, you'll know exactly who this speaker is for, and whether it's right for your vibe. So who's the PartyBox 310 really for? If you love throwing karaoke nights, outdoor parties, or just want to blast music with high volume and style, this looks like a no-brainer at first glance. The mic and guitar inputs, combined with the cool vocal effects, scream rock star in the making. The IPX4 splashproof feature suggests you can take it to a backyard pool party or light drizzle without stressing. But here's the twist: while those features sound amazing, the experience isn't quite as flawless as JBL's marketing videos might suggest. Let's peel back the curtain now. You'll want to stick around as I share some insights that could save you money and a lot of headache. First off, the sound quality is something JBL is famous for, and the PartyBox 310 definitely offers punchy volume thanks to its 240 watts of power. Bass lovers will appreciate the deep, thumping lows, but the highs sometimes get a bit sharp, and at maximum volumes, distortion creeps in faster than you'd expect. No party wants that sound. It's as if you're at a concert, and just as the lead singer hits the high note, the speakers throw in a little wheeze. Not exactly the pro sound you're hoping for when you drop over $500. And speaking of prices, at $579.95, this is a serious investment. The 4.8-star rating on Amazon shows most folks love it, but are those glowing reviews overlooking some key frustrations? Here's a story for you. I took this speaker to a weekend camping trip, proud to be the designated DJ. The 18-hour battery life was a saving grace. It kept the tunes flowing from dusk till well past midnight. But then came the hiccup. Bluetooth connectivity was spotty in the thick woods. At one point, the music cut out completely and took a painful 30 seconds to reconnect. On a device built to entertain anywhere and everywhere, that's a bit of a party pooper. Plus, the built-in app for controlling lights, tracks, and karaoke effects is hit or miss. It's intuitive when it works, but the app crashed a few times, leaving me fumbling for buttons in front of an eager crowd. Did I mention it's splashproof? Well, yes, it survived a sudden drizzle, but don't get cocky. It's not waterproof, so no tossing it into the pool for a swim. Now, about that light show. This is the party feature that dazzles and disappoints in equal measure. The synchronization of pulsing lights and strobes creates a mesmerizing atmosphere that can turn any room into a dance floor. But on the flip side, some users report the lights being a bit too bright or even distracting, especially in smaller indoor spaces. Imagine trying to sing your heart out to your favorite karaoke jam while a strobe light is giving you a headache. Talk about a mood killer. So if your playlist includes more chill vibes than rave anthems, this might be a consideration. Plus, these flashy lights, while impressive, also contribute to more battery drain than JBL advertises, shaving down that 18-hour promise in real-world, high-energy use. Time for a quick joke break. Why don't speakers ever get lost? Because they always follow the sound advice. Okay, back to the serious stuff. The PartyBox 310 sports a handy feature set: mic and guitar inputs, vocal effects, Bluetooth streaming, and a splashproof design. Ideal for musicians, street performers, or karaoke enthusiasts who need portability without sacrificing power. It's like carrying your own mini concert stage wherever you go. But here's the twist. Although marketed as battery-powered, this beast weighs around 35 pounds. Not exactly your lightweight travel buddy. If you're thinking of lugging it casually to every get-together, your biceps will definitely get a workout. If your idea of mobile means easy to carry, maybe look elsewhere or double-check your gym membership. What about durability? The IPX4 rating means it's splash-resistant, but don't mistake that for full waterproof protection. I've seen users accidentally spill drinks or get caught in light rain and still be okay, but submerge this speaker or blast it with a garden hose, and goodbye, PartyBox 310. This level of protection is decent but limited, so no sandy beach parties where salt and wetness are a given. And since it's expensive, you'll naturally want it to stand the test of time. JBL does offer warranty support and decent customer service, which is a plus compared to cheaper, no-name brands. Here's another subtle worry. Setup isn't always plug-and-play. While it includes a quick start guide, controlling the light show, switching tracks, and adjusting karaoke settings can get complicated, especially for less tech-savvy users. The PartyBox app tries to make this easier, but inconsistent connectivity and occasional bugs mar the joy. If you're planning to bounce between song choices on the fly or adjust settings mid-party, expect a learning curve and some frustration. Picture yourself fumbling with your phone while your crowd waits in awkward silence. Definitely not the star moment you hoped for. But hold on, don't tune out just yet. This isn't a total knockdown. Despite its drawbacks, many user experiences highlight the PartyBox 310's strong points. Crystal clear mids, good vocal pickup from the mic inputs, and an overall fun, immersive party atmosphere thanks to its integrated light show. In fact, for stationary use in a backyard or garage, it shines. You won't regret it if you primarily want a speaker to power up extended karaoke sessions or house parties without worrying about outlet proximity. Plus, the battery life often exceeds expectations during moderate use conditions. Just be aware of your setup's constraints and know it's not a perfect go-anywhere device. Now, here's a quick quiz for you. If you love bass, volume, and fancy light shows, but also want ease of use and total portability, is the PartyBox 310 your best match? Think carefully. JBL's reputation for loud, clear audio is unwavering, but compromises ripple through this model, weight, app reliability, and occasional distorted highs. And those are crucial factors for creating smooth, enjoyable experiences. Consider this before grabbing your credit card. If your parties are mostly indoors, near power sources, and your crowd loves high-energy jams accompanied by lights, you'll likely adore the PartyBox 310. But for casual, on-the-go setups or small gatherings, it might be overkill, or worse, an inconvenience. Also, a quick joke before moving on. Why did the speaker get promoted? Because it was outstanding in its field. Now that's a punchline worthy of the PartyBox lights. To wrap this up on a positive note, the JBL PartyBox 310 delivers an exciting, immersive experience tailored for those who truly want to own the spotlight. It's especially perfect for karaoke buffs, outdoor entertainers, and anyone who doesn't mind carrying a hefty package in exchange for robust power and dazzling visuals. With pro sound quality that genuinely fills large spaces, it makes your music and performances come alive. So, what's my final take? Don't buy the JBL PartyBox 310 if you're expecting a lightweight, seamless plug-and-play experience with flawless app control and ultra portability. However, if you want a powerful, splash-resistant party speaker that doubles as your personal concert rig, complete with mic inputs, 18-hour battery life, and mesmerizing light shows, then this is one you should seriously consider. Just remember to manage your expectations on weight, connectivity, and volume distortion at peak output. The investment is substantial, but for the right user, the PartyBox 310 delivers major party vibes worth every penny. If you want to check the latest deals and grab the best price on the JBL PartyBox 310 right now, I've got you covered with a link in the description. Keep in mind, prices fluctuate quickly with popular models like this, so acting fast could save you a nice chunk of change. Don't miss your chance to transform your parties if you decide it's the right fit for your style. Thanks for watching, and here's to many epic, music-filled nights ahead.